Honorable President Shri Pranab Mukherjee, esteemed Governor of Bihar Dr. D.Y. Patil, respected Chief Minister of Bihar Shri Nitish Kumar, distinguished members of the Board of Governors of IIT Patna, members of the Academic Senate of IIT Patna, members of the faculty and staff of IIT Patna, parents, our beloved students, ladies and gentlemen, warm greetings to all of you. We are here to observe a significant moment in the journey of IIT Patna and a turning point in the life of the bright youngsters. The second batch of the students of IIT Patna is graduating from its temporary campus. I'm extremely happy that the Honorable President Shri Pranab Mukherjee is here with us. He's a renowned administrator, diplomat, political guide, and economist. Shri Mukherjee comes from a humble origin and believes in hard work. He has proved this through his persistent commitment and sincerity. You will find a role model for yourself in Shri Mukherjee. I have great pleasure in welcoming you, sir, for the second convocation of IIT Patna. We are privileged to have Honorable Governor of Bihar, Dr. D.Y. Patil amongst us. Thank you for your presence and support. The Chief Minister, Shri Nitish Kumar, is also with us today. His dynamic leadership is taking the state of Bihar on the path of development. I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to all those who have accepted our invitation, and especially to the parents and the young students graduating today. Let me take this opportunity to extend my heartiest congratulations to the graduates of the second batch of IITians from Patna in 2013. We're also grateful to Professor C.N.R. Rao, Dr. Krishnaswamy Kasturi Rangan, and Dr. R.K. Sinha for accepting the Distinguished Academician Award. IIT Patna began its journey on the 6th day of August 2008. The first few years have been challenging for us, and now we are delighted to find the fruits of our hard work. The very first batch graduated last year, and this year we have our second successful batch of promising students. We are really proud of them. I would like to thank today all those whose efforts have stood by us and who have helped us to make the difference. Director Professor Anil Bhaumik has been at the helm since 2009. His efforts are enormous. Professor Bhaumik has been running the institute with laudable success from the temporary campus at Pataliputra Colony, while at the same time overseeing that the new campus at Bihta comes up soon. It is to be remembered that we are in the land of Mahavir and Gautam Buddha. It is the land of a great teacher of all times, Chanakya. It is the land of great Emperor Ashoka. This land has housed Nalanda Vidyapith. With the heritage of all the above, in all honesty, I can assure you this institute will reach much greater heights in the years to come. IITs have their own tradition of innovation and excellence in teaching and research. I am confident that IIT Patna will bring the land of Bihar on the list of pioneering centers of engineering and technology. Convocation, or Dikshant Samaroh, marks the culmination of an academic program. However, this brings new challenges and responsibilities. Attending college allows a student to develop independent thinking. While enrolled in college, students are given the opportunity to think on their own and develop their personalities and innovate. Innovation is deeply involved with entrepreneurship, and I do believe that IIT Patna should encourage both. To encourage this, there is a plan in IIT Patna to start an incubation center, and also we have started a course in entrepreneurship. I do strongly believe that entrepreneurs are not just born as entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship can be taught. And I strongly believe that IITians should also look at creating businesses that then create jobs rather than looking at getting jobs. So, as you step out into this new world of opportunities, be creative and never forget the society that helped you get this fantastic education. Congratulations once again to all the graduates of the second convocation of IIT Patna. I wish you all a very bright future ahead.